Hey guys, welcome back to the Chewy Kitchen. I'm Taylor Chew. Today is a special day because we're gonna make a dessert that my mom used to make us as kids growing up. It's a cherry pineapple dump cake. So easy, but we're gonna use Cherrybrook Kitchen's special yellow cake mix to whip it all up. Let's get started. This portion was just me. That's how good it is. This recipe is deceivingly simple. You're literally just dumping those ingredients in the pan, which is why it's nice to have nicer cake mixes like Cherrybrook Kitchen to make it the next level. My name is Taylor Chew. This has been the Chewy Kitchen. Thanks for coming by. Be sure to check out my other craft and baking tutorials on my website, taylorchew.com. Until then, I'll see you next time.